For centuries, the moon has inspired us, but now it's more than a symbol. It's a source of untapped resources. Our modern world depends on materials that are getting harder to find on Earth. The moon, just a few days' journey away, could be our next great resource frontier. Imagine building industries in space, not just on Earth. Companies are eyeing the moon for water, metals, and rare elements. These resources could fuel rockets, build habitats, and make space exploration cheaper. It's a new gold rush, this time for the stars. Governments and private companies are racing to develop the technology to unlock the moon's secrets. New rockets, robotic landers, and mining equipment are in the works. The goal: use the moon's resources to secure humanity's future. This isn't just about profit, it's about expanding our horizons. We're on the verge of a bold new chapter in exploration. The moon is no longer just a destination, it's a key to our future. The next leap for humankind starts here. One of the moon's most valuable resources is helium-3, a rare isotope almost non-existent on Earth. Helium-3 could revolutionize energy as a clean, safe fuel for nuclear fusion. Fusion, the process that powers the sun, could provide massive amounts of electricity with little environmental impact. Unlike current nuclear power, helium-3 fusion wouldn't create long-lasting radioactive waste. Helium-3 is also vital for quantum computing, enabling the ultra-cold temperatures these powerful machines require. Earth's magnetic field blocks most helium-3 from reaching us, but the moon, with no such shield, has collected it for billions of years. The solar wind has embedded helium-3 in the lunar soil, making the moon a natural storehouse. This resource could power cities, advance technology, and change how we live. The promise of helium-3 is driving a new era of exploration. It's not just about energy, it's about unlocking the next generation of computing and innovation. The moon's regolith holds the key to these breakthroughs. Scientists and companies are racing to tap into this potential. Helium-3 could be the spark for a technological revolution. The future of clean energy and advanced computing may depend on what we find on the moon. The race for helium-3 is on. The dream of mining the moon just became real. Finnish tech company Bluefors signed a $300 million deal to buy helium-3 mined from the moon by American company Interlune. This isn't science fiction, this is happening now. Bluefors needs helium-3 for the ultra-cold refrigerators that power quantum computers. This is the largest commercial transaction for a space resource in history. For the first time, a company is buying a raw material from beyond Earth. This deal proves there's a real business case for moon mining. It's the start of a new space economy. The technology to mine the moon is still being developed, but this investment accelerates progress. Bluefors is betting on Interlune's success, fueling innovation and funding new missions. This $300 million handshake could trigger a new space race, driven by business, not just science. The deal is a vote of confidence in lunar mining's future. It's a turning point for space exploration and industry. The moon is open for business. The next chapter of resource extraction has begun. The world is watching. Mining the moon sounds like science fiction, but the plans are real. First, a robotic lander carries mining equipment to the lunar surface. The right landing spot, often near the poles, is chosen for its rich resources. Robotic rovers scoop up the top layer of lunar soil, or regolith, where helium-3 is trapped. The rovers collect and transport regolith to a central processing plant. The soil is heated, releasing gases like helium-3, hydrogen, and nitrogen. The gases are separated and helium-3 is isolated and stored in pressurized tanks. Tanks of helium-3 are then launched back to Earth using a small rocket. The entire process is automated and remotely controlled from Earth. Each step requires advanced technology and precision. Companies are confident they can create a reliable supply chain from the moon to Earth. The challenges are immense, but the rewards could be transformative. Moon mining is moving from concept to reality. The $300 million helium-3 deal is just the beginning of a lunar gold rush. Mining the moon will create opportunities for rocket builders, robotics companies, software developers, and more. New jobs and industries will emerge on Earth to support space operations. The moon could become a cosmic gas station supplying fuel for deep space missions. Building in-space infrastructure will make exploration more affordable and practical. The challenges of lunar mining will drive innovation in robotics, AI, and energy systems. Solutions developed for space will benefit life on Earth. International collaboration will be essential. No one nation can do this alone. Shared standards and cooperation can ensure safe, sustainable space mining. The moon could unite nations in a common goal. This new industry will inspire future generations of explorers and innovators. The opportunities are as vast as space itself. The lunar economy is about to take off. Moon mining is full of challenges. The cost and complexity of space missions are enormous. Every part must work flawlessly. The lunar environment is harsh. Extreme temperatures, radiation, and abrasive dust threaten equipment. Engineers must design machines that survive years on the moon. Legal and ethical questions remain. Who owns lunar resources? International laws are unclear, and new rules are needed for responsible mining. The process must be efficient. Helium-3 is spread thinly in the soil. Mining and processing must be nearly continuous and highly reliable. The economics are tough. The price of helium-3 must outweigh the cost of extraction. Avoiding a Wild West in space is crucial. Global cooperation and innovation are essential for success. The risks are high, but so are the potential rewards. Overcoming these hurdles will define the future of space industry. Moon mining marks a turning point in our relationship with space. We're moving from dreaming about the stars to building a future among them. Using lunar resources is key to a sustainable human presence beyond Earth. Helium-3 could power clean energy and revolutionize technology on our planet. Moving industry to space could ease the strain on Earth's environment. The moon may become a partner in creating a better future for all. This new era will inspire scientists, engineers, and explorers worldwide. The Apollo missions sparked a generation. Lunar mining will do the same. The $300 million deal is more than business. It's a promise of what's possible. We're writing the next chapter of human history, reaching beyond the sky. The journey will be tough, but the rewards are limitless. The moon is waiting, and we're ready to answer its call. The future is closer than ever. Humanity's next leap begins now.